how to fix Instagram comments problem. So hello guys, if you have any problem with the comments, for example comments not loading or comments not showing or any glitch or problem, so this video is gonna help you a lot. Just keep watching until the end. So first thing you have to do, excuse me, go to the apps manager on your settings and then go to the apps. Now right here, as you can see, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Instagram. When you click on Instagram, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do here is very simple. Just click on force stop and then go down to the notifications management. Scroll until you find all the options are enabled and then click on the more settings option. It will take you to Instagram directly. Make sure that this option is disabled like this. Now go back, click on force stop on the app information on Instagram, and that's it guys. Restart your phone, reopen Instagram, the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.